Hey there, Dennis here with Nedzo.ai, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the end of call report that your AI agent submits every time it finishes a phone call to trigger multiple super powerful actions. Today, using Zapier. So, first thing you want to do is go to Zapier and create a new Zap. Now, for this one, knowing that it's whenever a call, so for this one, knowing that whenever a call ends, it will push information, you want to be able to receive it. So the trigger should be an inbound webhook. You can see here webhooks. So let's search for it. There we go. For the trigger event, select catch webhook. Okay. Now let's put it here. Continue. You can just click continue, and now Zapier will provide you with a webhook URL, and I want you to copy it. Okay, go to your Nedzo account, to your agents page. Let's go with support session, or this one, bail bonds. This looks good. Now you want to go to actions and post call webhook. This is already filled out, but I want to delete it. I want to paste the new link. Okay. And just like it reads below in the description, you want to add a URL so that the AI knows where to send the end of call report. And this will include the summary, details, the outcome, and all important information. This is a very powerful way for you to trigger post-call actions and extract additional data. Let me show you how. So you added it here. And if you go back to Zapier and you click test trigger, it will tell you that it didn't found anything. There's no information. So we need to use the function here, test webhook. Okay, send. So we can send test data for Zapier to interpret. Click test trigger again, and there we go. It just found a record. You see it? Name, John Doe, all dummy data. But that's enough. So let's keep going. And now, here's a beautiful thing. This is all you need to catch information. And what type of information will be sent? Of course, you want to make sure that you save the agent before exiting. But if I show you a recording here, you'll see, let's see something like this. The dial time, the type, outbound, contact, the agent name, the length, the outcome, the call recording, structured notes, transcript, and contact information. So all of this info is sent through that webhook. And now that you're catching it here, you can do things like updating the CRM. Let's say you use HubSpot, for example. Right? You can find here HubSpot and you can update it. Right? Or if you use something else like Monday.com or you use Salesforce, it doesn't matter. Let's say you want to send an email. You can send directly through Zapier with their email system, or if you use something like Gmail, you can do Gmail or Outlook, you name it. So if I select Gmail here, I can connect my account and then send an email. Let's say you want to send a text message. You can too. Just use here, choose an event, send text, and move forward. So you see the idea, right? So you can use dynamic data, and let me show you here, just for example, how you can leverage it. Send email. Now here I can send this email to the prospect, for example. Email. Now you want, for example, let's say that you want to send it from yours, give it your name, from Dennis Romays. Subject line, let's say you want to use their name, the prospect's name, first name, John. Quick question. As for the body of the email, of course, you can do something like hi, first name, or noticed you had a great call with agent name, right? Let's say you have an agent name that is called Paul. We noticed you had a great, or you can say our AI agent Paul told us you had a great conversation. As promised, here's access to, and now you send whatever you want, right? Of course, this is just an example. You can do everything and anything. It's just a matter of knowing what you want to trigger. So from sending text messages, emails, updating CRM fields, and you can even go to the extent of adding GPT steps like this. GPT, OpenAI. Let's find the right action. I believe it's conversation. There we go. Continue. Use a message. So analyze the following call transcript between our AI voice agent and lead. Write the body of a follow-up post call email. Your output should contain the body of the email only without signature. That is enough. So let's use GPT-4 could be a good one, or just this should be a good one. Oops. Now keep everything the same. Username doesn't matter. Assistant doesn't matter. If you want, you can use the name of the assistant. Could be the same of the agent if you'd like. So here, all you got to do, transcription. Find it here. And now in this automation, the system would automatically, whenever the call ends, could send a text, for example. Then it would, based on the call, create a follow-up email, and using your Gmail, send an email right away. Now, just to give you an example, of course, since the transcription, this is dummy data, will look like null. I will copy this here and use it just so we can see the results. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Temperature, 0.3 should be enough. 0.5. It's enough. Continue. Test step. Let's see what it comes up with. There we go. Let's see the result. Is it? Okay, continue. Now we can go here. Conversation, reply. If you look at it, they've taken the time speaking about our agents. Very thrilled. There we go. So you see like all the information here, right? Now, if I wanted, we could format it a little bit better. So we could just say, make sure to format it by giving it the right breaks and paragraphs between lines. But this is the idea. So thanks, Dennis from Nedzo. And there we go. And this is how you can leverage the Nedzo AI end of call report. If you have any questions, let us know, and I'll catch you on the next one.